Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at this cordless handheld massager. At the time of recording, this is available on Amazon for just under £33. It comes with a 1 year's guarantee. Link in the description box below if you're interested. As you can see here, it's letting us know the different parts of the body we can use it on. Shoulders, arm, the back, legs, even on your feet. It comes with 6 different attachments. Okay, what I'll do is I'll take everything out the box. We'll have a closer look. Before I do that, remember, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated, and do subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. The attachments came in this paper. Let me move that to a side. Congratulations, a free gift. Instruction manual in different languages, and it lets you know what part of the body you can use it on, and then it's letting us know what each node is for. Like for instance, the third one, the one with the 3 points here, they rubber them, yeah. It's saying that's good for a deep tissue massage. Then the round one that's on there, that's good for a powerful massage. And where's that one? This one is good for arms and legs. This one, and one with a single point, it's saying that's good for acupuncture points on the body. The charger, of course I'm in the UK, so I get a 3-pin one. It's got a little light there that lights up red while it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it will light up green. The unit will give you a runtime of 140 minutes and it takes 3 hours to charge. The charging base, it's got 2 contact points there where the actual cordless massager would sit. I'll show you that in a bit. 4 rubber pads at the bottom so it doesn't slip. Charging port there, which would of course just fit on like so. The unit there has 2 contact points and it fits on like so. So it fit there. So you get 6 attachments, 5 are like this and 1 stays on. So it could be either one, it would still fit on here. According to a picture on Amazon from the manufacturers, they call them 6 interchangeable nodes. I'm calling them attachments. The picture shows this one is good for the feet. This one is good for the legs and arms, of course, as they said in the book. This one is good for below the elbows. This one for the lower back. This one for the shoulder blades. And the round one for the upper shoulder. I like this one because in the booklet it did say this can be used all over the body for a general massage, and I've been using it with this one and I really like it. Simple to fit on, it just twist on. And to take off, just twist them off, and then you can change them with anyone you want. Just twist on. These are plastic, but this one and this one, the ends are rubber. That's why they say this is good for the feet. Onto the actual unit, a little sticker there. It's made out of fully plastic. I do like the colour scheme on this. The handle's plastic as well. It's not really heavy and it's not light as well. It's in between. So it's got 4 modes and it's got 5 speeds. That's your on off. So if I push that, actually, 1 second, I'll just go back to the start again to show you. So that's the first one. If I push it again, that's like a pulse. If I push it again, it's faster now. That's even faster. And then push it again, it goes back to the start. I like how these light up. That's the speed. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up on camera, it is going faster now. If I put my hand there. I'll push it again. That's the highest. Then back to normal. That's the battery indicator there. And to turn it off, you just push that. So just thought I'll quickly show you if I put my arm there. I'm just using this one. This is a general one. Well, for me, is I just use it all over. If I change the mode now, you can see, and the speed as well. It's like a drill that. it goes off. Do remember, if you've got any health conditions, do contact your physician first. I have reviewed other massagers on my channel as well. I will leave a pop-up card and a playlist link in the description box below if you want to watch them. I've been using this for a few weeks now. These type of massagers, being cordless, you could take them wherever you want. They're really good post-workout. If you've been lifting weights up, they're really helpful. Battery life, I can't really comment on that because I've had it for 2 weeks, but I don't use it for that long. I think 12 minutes is a sweet spot. It does say when you first get the unit, give it a full charge. When I charged it, it got charged under an hour. The battery does depend on the setting you have it on. So say if you have it on speed 5 for a while, the battery of course will go down a lot quicker. Just 3 little things. If it did have an auto shut off after 12 minutes, that would have been good. The second thing, if it had infrared, maybe I'm asking for too much because it does cost under £33. If it come with a little bag for the attachments, because if you're going away and you want to take it with you, you don't really want to take it in this now, do you? So that's that. But overall, it's a really good product. And for the price, just under £33, you can't really go wrong. I'll definitely recommend this product. Link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.